All right, today's Wednesday. We're halfway through another week of online learning. I've really been enjoying your discussion posts. I see that a lot of us have similar ideas. Some of us have brought up some amazing points about Charlie. I do want to address some things that have come up in regards to Charlie. I want to clear up some things, and I want to show you what we're doing today. So we're still focused on point of view. We're looking at the differences in not only the character's point of view, but also our point of view and how it creates this effect of sympathy. So today you guys are going to analyze differences between both Charlie and his, quote, friends' point of view, because some of you started to pick up on the fact that the people that he thought were his friends, meaning his coworkers, are not actually his friends. And you also are going to start thinking about how his point of view is starting to affect his relationship with the other people around him. So we're going to be reading Progress Report 9 today. That's from paragraphs 40 through 80 of Flowers for Algernon, and you are going to be responsible for annotating. And then after, again, we've got a discussion post to keep it light for you. I am looking at your work as you go through. I can see your annotations, and I'm actually going to bring up one of your peers' annotations just to address a couple of things. All right, so I am in one of our peers' annotated work from Progress Report 6 through 8. This person had quite a few annotations, which are awesome. I want to bring up a couple points just to help you guys. In Progress Report 8, Charlie brought up the fact that he works at a factory, and he keeps talking about his job and his friends and how much fun that they have together. But as you read, you probably realized that these people might actually not be his friends. So right here we had one of our peers. They actually highlighted a piece and it said, "We had a lot of fun at the factory today." Joe Karp said, "Hey, look where Charlie had his operation. What did they do, Charlie? Put some brains in?" I was going to tell him, but I remembered Dr. Strauss said no. Then Frank Riley said, "What did you do, Charlie? Forget your key and open your door the hard way?" That made me laugh. They're really my friends and they like me. Now, this person's annotation said that they're starting to have fun learning, but in actuality, this was at their job. So as you guys are annotating, I want you to make sure that you are making quality annotations and you're really trying to dig deep. Now, earlier, a couple paragraphs before, it did talk about going back to work, and it straight up says factory. So we're not necessarily in a lab, we're not necessarily in a classroom, so we're definitely not learning. But through this piece, what I would have put would be that Charlie is thinking that the people that he works with are friends when they're actually not. And that ties into our learning target with differences of people's point of view, especially those characters. So with that being said, I am going to come down here to paragraph 40. You are reading Progress Report 9. When you go through and you hit paragraph 80, you will see that it jumps directly to Progress Report 11. There is no Progress Report 10, so don't feel like you overread. You did just read Progress Report 9. It is lengthy. He just skips Progress Report 10. So again, as you go through, please make sure that you are annotating. I'm reading them. I can see them. And a lot of you are coming up with some quality thoughts. Please make sure that you're digging deep. And if you don't know what to put, always go back to that learning target and that success criteria, because it tells you exactly what you need. I can't wait to keep reading. Good luck today.